morning, students. Today we are going to discuss about the World Red Cross Day. As you all know that we used to celebrate International World Red Cross Day on 8th of May every year. First of all of you needs to know that who is the founder of this organization, that is the Red Cross organization. Sir John Henry is the founder of this organization. Now the next thing is why he started this organization. The purpose or the aim for starting this organization is to help all the wounded soldiers who were involved in war which was there in North America, in Italy. This organization voluntarily provides all sort of free services to them, taking care of their food habits, taking care of their clothing, medicines, other things, etc. And after that, the organization is still there in existence till today. Now we will see what are the various principles related to the particular organization and how it serves. Students, you can clearly see here, if we talk about the principles of the particular organization, the very first principle is impartiality. The name itself is suggested. The organization do not discriminate countries or nations on the basis of their religion, their color, their caste, their gender, etc. It is equal for all. Now let's move to the next principle. Our next principle is about humanity. The title itself is suggesting that is being human to all of you. As human, it is our responsibility to help the people who are in need or who are in urge. Now let's move to the next principle, that is independence. See students, it's very clear. If we are helping someone and we want to have complete control or step over that someone, we are snatching the authority, then that is not right. The particular organization, the particular nations to which it is providing the humanitarian help does not snatch its independence, does not snatch its authority. They can work with ease. Now the next principle is voluntarily. That is, there is no force, no forceful compulsion on anyone to help other nations. The organization is working willingly. Now let's move to the next principle, which is universality, which means the organization works worldwide. It provides services to all the nations worldwide and trying to provide maximum help to the people in the world. Now after that, our next principle is unity. We belong to India and we are known for unity in diversity. In the same way, the organization also works on the principle of unity. It just wants all the religion or the caste, all people to work together and to help the needy, to help the people who are in need or utmost requirement. Now let's discuss about the present day theme or the current theme which the organization opted for the current year 2022. That is Be Humankind. Student, in the last 2 years, you are also known about this thing that the whole world is suffering from the COVID-19 issues. People had foodless nights. They have no food to eat. People lost their jobs. They have no occupations. They have no work. And if we are fortunate enough that we are having food to eat and we are having resources with us, it's our humanitarian nature that we need to help other people in the best way. So at last what we can say, we can't give life. We are not the creator. Who is the creator? God is the creator. But if possible, we can definitely save life. So at last, I just want all of you to take this pledge that we are definitely going to help people in the best way in which we can help. I hope all of you are ready for the same. Thank you so much, students. That's it. Thank you.